In our previous tutorials, like list tutorial in Kotlin, we have seen mutable list. So in the same way, let us make use of mutable map here, and in this way you can just edit them. I mean, you can add the values and also remove the values here. So now let us try to. In this vlog, we will try to see the concept of maps in Kotlin programming. So maps are used to retrieve data in key value pairs. So this is a very easy way of retrieving data based on the key here. So you will be passing the key and retrieving the appropriate value assigned to that particular key. So now let us try to see an example so that you will be getting a good knowledge on this particular concept. So let us consider variable user, and here I'm going to declare map of. So first of all we will be declaring name here. So this is our first key value, so 2. I'm just declaring name here, and we'll be considering the second key value, so 2. Here we will be declaring age, and 3. Here we will be declaring email address. So don't get confused, just we have considered 1 2 3 here just to make use of those key value pairs and retrieve data. In general view, we will be considering two strings here, like as we have provided name, and here we can just provide Abhi. Like this we can just make use of this key value pairs. So now let's try to print this. So for which let us consider main method and wrap this inside this and provide a print statement and try to print the user. So now let us try to see the output, how a map looks like. So here you can see we have got name equal to Abhi, 2 equal to age, and 3 equal to email. So now let us try to make it like a real-time example only. So change this age to a real-time number here, and email a dummy email. So yes, these are all the user details. So we can easily map the key value pairs, and whenever you want to fetch, for example you just want age here, user.get, and inside which you can provide the key age here, and now when you try to run this code you will be getting only age of that particular user here. So in real-time programming, these maps are very much useful where you want to populate the username. So whenever the user is successfully logged into your application and you want to provide a message like welcome and provide his and append his name. So in that particular scenarios, this key value retrieval plays a key role. And also now let us try to see what are all the other things we can do with the help of these maps here. So user dot entries, and this will provide you with all the available data inside this particular variable now. So we are having this data, so this is the output for this particular print statement. And now let us try to see few more size. So now let us try to see the size of this particular map, and it's 3 as we have provided 3 key value pairs. So every key value pair is considered to be 1 unit here. So totally we are having 3, so that size 3 is displayed onto our console. And what are the other options here we got is like when you try to print keys, so only the keys are being printed to our console here, like name, age, and email. And when you try to print values, then the respective values will be printed just like the keys which we have printed previously. And now can we edit these maps? In our previous tutorials, like list tutorial in Kotlin, we have seen mutable list. So in the same way, let us make use of mutable map here, and in this way you can just edit them. I mean, you can add the values and also remove the values here. So now let us try to add some more information here. User dot put. So it's a very simple way here, and let us try to add mobile number. And this time you can notice that we are not making use of 2 here, we are directly providing with a comma now. So now let us try to print the user again and see whether this input is stored into our map or not. So here you can see mobile number is also been printed to our previous values which we have specified. And now let us try to remove. Here we are also having a remove option, and I will be removing age. And now try to print this map again, and yes, you can observe the age parameter or the age key value pair is being removed now. So now let us try to update the existing information. So now put, and here I will be passing name, and I will be updating it with a new name now. So now you can see the updated data also here. Our name is now successfully updated, and here we have seen insertion of single value, and you can also insert multiple values also here. So user dot put all. So now let's add age and gender this time. So set of age to, and gender male. And now let's try to run this code and see our new updated map here. Age and gender is also added. So yes, this way you can make use of maps in Kotlin programming. As we have discussed earlier, these are very much easier to retrieve data based on key values. So yes, this is it for this tutorial, and if you are having any queries in this tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Kotlin.